Hello, my name is Margaret McCullough, and I am Assistant Director of the Human Resources Department for Jefferson County Schools. All new employees in our system are required to complete the orientation process. The purpose of this process is to familiarize you with some of our policies and procedures, assist you with completing the paperwork required by the system, and give you information so you can choose and enroll in benefits. This online orientation process consists of a series of 7 steps. At each step, you will want to view the information and forms first, and then view the video if available. All items listed on the page that are underlined are a link, and you may click on them to retrieve information or forms. In addition to viewing the forms and information, you may also want to print the forms or information before watching the video, as they may be referred to during the presentation, and it will be helpful if you have them available when viewing. If you have any questions when on a particular page, click on the contact information link near the top of the page to find the name of the person who can answer your questions or give you additional information. Once you have viewed the video and downloaded the forms, you will want to complete the forms, particularly those that are asterisked. These forms are mandatory and must be submitted. If you have any questions, you may view the video again or call the contact numbers given for that department. Once you have completed all 6 steps, you should proceed to step 7. This step consists of you verifying that you have completed all steps in the orientation. A completed verification form should be completed, signed, and forwarded to the Human Resources Department at the central office. Now, please look at the list of items in step 2. You will notice that the information and forms are separated by classified and certified employees. Classified employees are those employees whose positions do not require that the individual hired has a certificate. Examples of classified employees would be bus drivers and office assistants. Certified employees are those employees who are required to hold a certificate in order to be hired for their position. Examples of certified employees would be counselors and teachers. Again, you will notice that the required forms in each column are marked by an asterisk. I would also advise that you look at the forms that are not mandatory, some of which you may want to submit. For example, if you are hired as a custodian for us, we're going to place you on step 1 of the salary schedule for your position. If you have done similar work previously, you may submit proof of that to us, and it may move you to a higher pay level. For example, if you are hired as a custodian and have worked at a hospital doing similar work to what you will be doing for us, you may be given experience credit for that work and moved to a higher step on the salary schedule. Another example would be previous work in the same position at a school system. Teachers may transfer previous experience from another system as well. All employees will be placed on step 1 until we receive experience verification from previous employers. If you have any questions concerning experience verification or any other items on the list, contact the HR personnel listed. In addition, on this page, there is also information concerning the sick leave bank. Being a member of the sick leave bank enables employees to borrow up to 10 days under certain circumstances. It also allows employees to both donate days to fellow employees and receive donated days during certain circumstances. Please refer to the sick leave bank rules and regulations on this page. The only times an employee can join is at the beginning of each school year or when first employed. The purpose of the sick leave bank is to enable employees to both donate and receive sick leave days when needed. The first 5 sick leave days you accumulate are placed in the bank. All other days will accumulate. You may see both your sick leave bank balance and your regular sick leave balance on your pay stub each month. Both your sick leave days and your sick leave bank days may be used by you when needed. For more information, please read the sick leave policy information sheet available on this site. The form to join is also available on this site and needs to be printed, completed, and returned to the Human Resources Department. Please call our department if you have questions. Again, all required forms, as indicated by an asterisk on the checklist, should be submitted to our office within 4 weeks of your hire date. This includes the verification form in step 7. Again, I wish to welcome you to Jefferson County Schools, and anytime we can be of service, please call our department.